Real talk from a seaman. I did not work away from home. Para sabihin na, seaman ka, ang kuripot mo naman. Hoy, seaman ka pala. Yaman mo na. Seaman ka? Oo, totoo na may pera ako. But every single peso I spend reminds me of hard work I earned from it. And it's not that easy as what others think about our profession. I had to risk my life working in dangerous settings. I had to endure countless sleepless nights at sea. Stress, loneliness, homesickness, seasickness, pressure, and anxiety. I had to sacrifice away from my family and loved ones. In most occasions, I spend most of my life away from them. There are days that I just let my tears fall when I'm alone, to release the exhaustion that I feel. Life on board is so much than the pretty pictures you see. Sometimes, it's really hard to explain, but you will never understand until you experience it.